Assalamu alaikum. Hope you all are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. In today's video, I will show you how you can change your database collection of MySQL database. For that, you have to log in into your cPanel account. Then you can search here phpMyAdmin, or you can simply scroll to databases. Here you will find phpMyAdmin. You have to click here. Then you have to select your database in which you want to change the collection. I'm selecting this test database. Then in the top bar you will find operations section. You have to click here. Then you have to scroll down. Here you will find collection option. Here you can change your database collection which you need. You can select any collection. I am selecting randomly. Then you can select here change all tables collection for changing this collection for every tables which has been created, or you can unselect this. Then you have to click on go. Then you can see your SQL query has been executed successfully. So from now, if you create a table, you can see its collection is that which we have selected now, UTF-MB4 Romanian CI. So if you come in the operation, you can see it's that. So in these simple steps, you can change your database collection. Thanks for watching our video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe.